This Align Right Realty property video is presented by David Willink. Get started in this beautiful first floor 2-halves condo unit that is ready to move in and go to work or just relax. Comes fully furnished. Many services covered in COA fees. Parking directly in front of door with easy ramp access. Enter into the large, peaceful screened balcony facing and overlooking Lake Sandpiper from the kitchen, living room, or main bedroom. Sip coffee and watch the ducks play. Recent updates and remodeling throughout, including flooring and appliances. Beautiful cathedral ceilings. Golf course and country club available. Very close to I-4, I-95, Daytona International Speedway, and International Airport. For more information, review the details below.